Yes, so now here we have some chicken wings. We're gonna prep them and we're gonna season them up and have them marinate overnight. So tomorrow they're gonna have that blast of a taste. Alright, first I like to cut the tip off. So we're gonna wash these. Wash them real good. So first, I'll use my olive oil to sprinkle over. Then I have my black pepper. For this purpose, I'll use 1 tablespoon. And then I have my Maggi chicken seasoning. My Maggi chicken seasoning, I will go with 2 tablespoons of my Maggi chicken seasoning. I have the Maggi all-purpose seasoning. These are the 3 seasonings that I always use, and it gives you a great blend. Here, my green seasoning, freshly made. And for me, there's a lot of herbs in this, so I like to put a lot of green seasoning on my chickens. Now let's get it in.